So my name is Krishna Trujillo, and the two body planes that I picked is first of all, it's the coronal plane, which is the one that identifies the body parts from the front and the back. It's also known as the posterior and anterior part of the body. It divides the body into the dorsal and ventral, which is the back and the front, like I mentioned. So it's this one and this one. And then the second plane that I am going to break down for right now is the sagittal plane, which divides the body into the left and the right portions, which is splitting it in half. So it could be either the front or the back still, and we're going to be doing from up and down pretty much. So if we split it in half in the body, then we're left with either the left portion of the body or the right portion. And that is the sagittal plane.